Hi, my name is Zach Pike. This is my Lab 4, my Bash Shell script project for scripting for network admin. Um, so my script is designed to, the purpose it serves is to um, query local media websites, download a copy of the content, search that site for an input from the user, and return an output telling the user if there is a school closure applicable to their input. That's the function it serves. So I will launch that and walk through the operation of it now. So in my Lab 4 folder, this is where I copied I cloned the Git repository for this script and this lab. The main script, as you can see, is school closures. That's the executable. It relies on two other input files. One is, I guess, technically an input. The other is used to store. So in the sites.txt file, that is where I store whichever web pages I will query and copy, and then that copy is stored in closures.txt. So if I cat the sites.txt file, you'll see those are the sites that I'm pulling data from: the Kello clotheslines, KSFY closings, and KDLT school closings. So if I run my script, the first thing it'll do is it'll go out and have it set to query the web pages. The parameter used is -q, but that's quiet, so it doesn't print a whole screen full of web page data that it's querying and copying, and connection data and connection size and data size downloaded, and where it's stored off to. All of that with that -q option is saved in the background. So the first thing that it will prompt me to enter here, and the only thing it will prompt me to enter, is a parameter for the school or the town or anything really in the school name as it would appear on a closing. So the only one currently is Eureka School District. So if I enter Eureka, I have that parameter set to run in a grep statement that then saves that and dumps that into a links command to format the output in a more readable fashion. Otherwise, it's a bunch of HTML output, not very pretty, not very easy to read. If you output that using links, it's a lot more readable. As you see, you get some of that table information, organization, status. It shows Eureka School District is delayed 2 hours on Thursday, 10 a.m. start. And so you do get that table information if you put it with links. Otherwise, it's just a bunch of HTML formatting around text and no real logical break. That said, some of the dependencies that my script needs are, like I said, the two files for input and data storage, as well as links must be installed also. And if you run the script, it will gather the information. If we run it and we put a parameter that doesn't exist, it will simply return no results. So Baltic has nothing tomorrow. We'll enter that. It will search. The grep will go through and search that data file. It will return nothing, and it will give you no results. that is my script. Thanks.